What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Honda Civic Type R. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 315 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission. So the Civic Type R is a very, very fun vehicle to drive. The very sporty vehicle from Honda. I have a video on a 23 model on the channel, and obviously I have a lot of videos on the Integra Type S, very similar vehicle to that, but this is like the more sportier version and obviously cheaper than the Integra Type S. I love the red bucket seats in these Civic Type Rs. They look awesome, really, really comfortable. I prefer these bucket seats over the seats in the Integra Type S. These Alcantara buckets look awesome, they're more comfortable. Yeah, they're just plain cooler, and I really like the red carpet in these, and I love the shift knob and everything. It's really cool. And I love the red Honda logo on these Civic Type Rs, on all Type Rs in general. And the gauge cluster in the Type R looks cooler than the Integra Type S as well, so that's pretty interesting. Look how cool that gauge cluster looks. You also have a Bose sound system in this vehicle. The exterior on this is finished in Boost Blue, which is an awesome color. I really like it with the red combo. Typically, I'm not a big fan of blue exterior, red interior, but on the Boost Blue with this red Civic Type R interior looks great. The red seat belts also look really cool, and you have the Civic Type R chassis number over there for this specific model. But yeah, let's walk around the car and then we'll get out on the road as always. But obviously these are manual seats, as you can see, and you also have shift lights, which is really, really awesome. Another thing the Integra Type S does not have. And Alcantara center console, Honda key fob with the red Honda logo. But let's walk around this vehicle and then we can get out on the road. Yeah, look how awesome the seats look. But so, as I mentioned, this one's finished in Boost Blue. Black wheels, red Honda badges, of course, red Brembos. Type R badge on the front of the vehicle. You have a hood vent. Looks really aggressive. What a gorgeous color. I love this color. This is definitely the best color on the Civic Type R, 100%. And I don't really see this color that often either. Here are the rear seats. You don't have the Alcantara on the rear seats, and they're also black seats, and it's like cloth, but the red carpet looks cool. But you have to be careful with the red carpet because it can get dirty easily, so be careful about what who you have in the back seats and everything like that. Type R badge on the rear, 3 exhaust tips. That's unique to the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S. And this one has the black chrome badges, which look really, really nice. Here's the trunk with the Type R mats in the trunk. You also have a Type R rear cargo mat. And since these are hatchbacks, they're very practical. And you also have a little cargo cover over there too. If you want to slide it over, cover your items. And you have a big spoiler, which I like. But let's drive it. Always a blast to drive these cars. The steering in these is awesome. So the Plus R mode is the most aggressive mode in these cars. And that's what will give you this really cool gauge cluster. And these also have rev match assistant, which is pretty awesome too. I also have rev match assistant in my manual G80 M3. I love rev match assist because obviously in like older manual cars, I mean, the rev match assist is a kind of new technology on these manual transmission sports vehicles of today's car market. But before, obviously in other manuals you have to blip the throttle and everything, but not so much on these because you have auto rev match assist, and it'll save you time and effort and always having to blip the throttle every time you shift, right? shift lights, as I mentioned. I love that feature. Man, I love these bucket seats. They feel so comfortable. The Alcantara is nice, but obviously with the Alcantara seats, you're not going to get heated or ventilated seat functions. The Integra Type S, being the more luxurious version of the Civic Type R and a more mature look, if that's what you prefer, will have heated seats, and you know, you have like the leather with the ultra suede inserts on that car. But I like the shift knob in these, like stock, way more than the Integra Type S. Very short throws, they're very precise, which makes it very fun to just bang through gears and gives you a very sporty driving experience, right? It's pretty cool, for sure. You know, having driven both the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S extensively, I would say that I like the Integra Type R, Civic Type R's driving experience. You know, the seats just are so much better to me, in my opinion, you know? The seats are just awesome in this, and they feel great. The car is just plain cooler, in my opinion. Both cars are really cool, but this car is just plain cooler. Man, that steering, it's like a go-kart. Love it. Obviously the plus R mode, as you can see, it's pretty rough, and you can feel all the bumps on the road. But man, the car really does feel really sporty, which is awesome. It's a really fun driving experience. It has like a really nice power amount. It really is a driver's car. The heavy steering is just amazing. It's so, for being a front wheel drive car, I can't believe how nice the steering is. It's just awesome, you know? Love that. But we've now returned to Grubb's Family Dealership, so that concludes today's video on this 2025 Civic Type R. Really fun vehicle to drive, looks really cool, always a blast driving this car. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of performance vehicles like this one.